So I'm sure this must have happened with you, that you have given your phone to someone to watch the meme, be it any family member or a friend, and they start scrolling to your different apps that you don't want them to see. And for that to not happen in the future, you need to hide some of the apps. It could be any of the social media apps, or it could be your browser, or even it could be any of the games that you are playing mostly. So it doesn't matter what the reason is, because in this video I'm gonna be telling you few different ways by which you can hide your apps on your Android device. So without wasting any time, let's start the video's intro. So on number 1, we have hiding apps with the built-in settings of your phone. Because as you know, most of the Android devices can hide the apps from the home screen settings only. And these settings are available directly on your phone and you don't need to install any third-party apps. Since I have a Google Pixel device, so I'm gonna be telling you how to hide apps on this device only. So on your Pixel device, go to the app drawer. So press and hold the application that you wish to hide. For example, I'm choosing the Gmail app. So now I'm gonna press and hold, and now I'm gonna tap on app info. And here you'll see the disable option. Just tap on it. And here just tap again on disable app. And now as you can see, if I start to search Gmail, I won't be able to see the app, and that means the app is hidden. But the only problem with this method is that it can only hide inbuilt apps on your device. That means if you want to hide, let's say Instagram, WhatsApp or any third-party app, you cannot do that with this method. So on the second number, we have hiding apps with the Android launcher apps. So there are various Android launcher apps in the market and you can choose any of them, and that will do the job for you in hiding your application. That is because launcher apps allows you to customize the look and feel of your home screen, and with that it can also do the job of hiding the apps as well. So for this video I'm going to be telling you how to do that in the Nova Launcher app. But keep in mind that for Android Launchers app to hide your applications, you might need premium versions of these apps. So on my Pixel device, after I've installed the Nova Launcher app, I'm just gonna tap on it and the Nova Launcher app is opened. Now just tap on Nova settings, and here now just tap on app drawer. Scroll down and here you'll see the apps option where you can hide apps as well. Now if you can see that here it's written that Prime is needed. Just tap on it and now tap on Play Store. So the Play Store is opened and now you have to install Nova Launcher Prime. That is for 99 rupees. And once you'll do that, you'll be able to hide any of the apps that you want. Now I'm sure that you are looking for a free alternative as well. Then don't worry, I have that for you as well. You just have to install the app named App Hider from the Play Store. And now let's come back to our device. And after we have installed the App Hider app, just open it. And here you'll see the plus option. Just tap on it. And now here you can select any of the app that you want to hide. For example, I want to hide the WhatsApp app. So I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna import the app here. Of course the ad will come. So now as you can see, WhatsApp app is imported. So now after the app is imported in the app hider, now go back and here just remove the WhatsApp app from the system. Just uninstall the app. Now as you can see, the WhatsApp app is uninstalled, but if I want to use it, I can use the App Hider app and I can use WhatsApp from here. And with the help of this, in the app drawer, it will be hidden and you won't be able to see it. And in the similar way, you can hide any of the app that you really want. Now up next, the third method is to create the guest account or secret mode. This method is pretty easy and will help you hide your apps and be accessible when needed. So to use this method on your Android device, go to settings, then scroll down and just go to system. Now scroll down again and now tap on multiple users. Now make sure that you've toggled on this option, allow multiple users. And here you'll see the option of guest. Just tap on add guest. And now you just have to tap on the switch to guest option. And now as you can see, in the guest mode, there are no other apps, only the system apps are present. So this is a pretty handy method whenever you want to hide all of the unnecessary apps that you are using too much, or even you are giving your phone to someone. That way you can always use the guest mode so that they won't be able to access any of your apps. So now you learned how to hide apps on our Android device in different ways. But what if you want to find the hidden apps on your Android device? So don't worry about that, because there are several ways to find the hidden apps, and I'll tell you the most easy and convenient method by which you can do that. So first of all, navigate to your Android device, then go to settings, and here just tap on apps. Now go to all apps, and here you'll see this option of all apps. Just tap on it and choose disabled apps, and here you can see all of the disabled apps that we did in the first method. Now if you want to again enable them, just tap on the app, and here you have to choose the enable option. Just tap on it again. And now if you go to your app drawer and search Chrome, you will see the app here. So now if you want to unhide the app from the app hider, just go into the app hider app, and as you might have remembered that we have hidden the WhatsApp app. Now to unhide it, just tap and hold to the app, and here you'll see the option of remove. Just drag onto it and confirm on the remove app option. So now the app is removed. Now if you go back to the home screen, search Play Store. After going into the Play Store, search WhatsApp, and here you will have to again install the WhatsApp app. So these were some of the options by which you can hide your apps on your Android device. And after you have hidden the app and now you want to unhide them, then I've also told the steps on how to do that as well. So I really hope you like this video of how to hide apps on your Android device. And if you have any questions related to this video, then definitely do let us know in the comment section. We'll gladly respond to you. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to Geekified.